In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your all kinds of WhatsApp chats from your old phone to new phone easily with some few steps. You can transfer your audio files, you can transfer your video files, and you can transfer your also group chats. Every single chats you can transfer easily. So before wasting your time, just start the process. And guys, I request you, if you find this video helpful, then please do like and do also subscribe. So let's start. So this is my old phone and this is my new phone. So I'll transfer this old phone all kinds of WhatsApp chats from this phone to this phone easily. So what I need to do, I need to enter into my this old phone WhatsApp, then click here this three dot line, then click here settings, then click here chats, then click here transfer chats, then click here start, and wait for a few seconds. Then you can see download WhatsApp on your new Android and register with the same number. When prompt, enter this code. That's mean you don't need your old SIM card to your new phone. You can keep that SIM card in your old phone also. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to go to my this new phone and then go to Play Store and download that WhatsApp messenger first. And after that, let me click here open option. Then click here agree and continue. Then register with the same number. Okay, so let me register my that WhatsApp with my this number, and do not minimize it, just stay on this page. So right now I need to click here next option, then click here yes. Then verifying your number, enter the 6-digit code shown on your old phone. That's mean you need to enter this code in your new phone. You do not open your old SIM card, just give this code in your this phone. Okay, so let me write this one, then it's verified. So now you can see transfer chat history. So scan QR code to connect phone. So let me click here continue. Then you need to come to your this old phone, then click here continue this option. Then you need to scan this QR code from your old phone. Okay, so let me scan this QR code. Then you can see it's transferring and it's receiving. Okay, just wait. So right now you are done from your new phone, from old phone. So need to click here next option in your new phone. Then there is your name, so let me click on next option, then choose here whatever, just wait, and then click here not now, then click here done, and remove account, log back in. Okay, so all chats with transfer with some groups, media, every single thing. Okay, so let me show you. So my that WhatsApp account already gone. This is my new another WhatsApp. So this is it, guys. So by this easiest process, you can transfer your all kinds of WhatsApp chats easily. So thank you so much for watching.